Before you begin, remove the battery, memory door, hard disk drive door, hard disk drive, optical disk drive, keyboard, and top cover. Removal. Lift the touchpad board ribbon cable from the top cover. Note, the touchpad board ribbon cable is held in place with double-sided adhesive. Gently lift up on the locking bar of the touchpad board ZIF connector and remove the touchpad board ribbon cable. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the touchpad board ribbon cable and save for later replacement. Lift the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the top cover, touchpad button board bracket, and touchpad board. Note, the touchpad button board ribbon cable is held in place with double-sided adhesive. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad button board bracket to the top cover. Lift and remove the touchpad button board and bracket from the top cover. Place the touchpad button board and bracket in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the touchpad button board and bracket by the edge and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Lower the touchpad button board bracket over the alignment pins and clips built into the top cover. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad button board bracket to the top cover. Press the touchpad button board ribbon cable down to adhere it to the touchpad board, touchpad button board bracket, and top cover. Replace the touchpad board ribbon cable onto the top cover. Insert the touchpad board ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the system board and gently press down on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Press the touchpad board ribbon cable down to adhere it to the top cover.